Major TC
Not the
damage.
lamb.
Let me get an RA starting to roll. I need traffic shut down for westbound traffic on Sherman Way.
So he done flipped that motherfucker. He did a hurricane with that bitch.
I can't tell, dude.
That bitch spent out. He smacked. What he smacked?
Pussy nigga, when you talk to me, you better have a cross. I'm with demons in this bitch and we don't really talk. I'm with some niggas that chomp. I'm with the gang Glocks. I'm with the mops and shots. Reaching your block behind. I'ma go wherever I want. I don't care about ops. Rat ain't with this nigga bitch and she said I'm.
It's your boy. It's your boy. With another one. Run them lights up. We finna tee up, man. What's going on, man? What's going on? How y'all doing? We finna tee up. Watch this video together in Smoke Point. 12 Hawker Gamma Lamb. They getting active already. We're in a high-speed chase right now. To be honest, I ain't never seen a Lamborghini on a high-speed chase.
5827 Southwest on the approaching Moore Park at 37.
Hey, stop. Hello. Okay, police get out. Both of them out. Both of them get out. Shit. Both of them get out.
You have a driver's license on you? And registration for your vehicle? Is the vehicle in park? Yeah?
5827 Southwest on the approaching Victoria.
Do you know why I pulled you over? Huh? The one you were asleep at the light. I was right next to you. I put my spotlight on you.
The light in the
light.
I thought you sleeping in your land at the light show?
You're visiting out here? Yeah. Okay, cool. And do you have registration for the vehicle? Is the vehicle yours, sir? It's a what? A rental? Oh, okay. Where are you headed to? Where's home? Where's home?
Right here.
You know your house? Now you going to your friend's house? Now you going to your friend's house? Uh-oh, they getting hot now. Uh-oh. How this gonna go? Cause they done got back in the car. Need some paperwork. Shorty already started off lying. Now he's going home.
Oh, we're just gonna...
Now you going to your friend.
Hey, it works. Hey, sir. Can you step out of the car for me?
Get out of the car.
What's going on? I just need to verify your license.
Can you that shit?
I need to verify it.
Nah, I ain't trying to trick me.
You just step out of the car for me.
They trying to trick me, shorty.
I understand that. And you
That's
just step out of the car.
Look how they got his family.
Sir,
Look how they got the lamb.
I understand that. I need you to step out of the car for me.
It's a lamb chop.
You gave me a different thing. What is that one? Get your license, can I see that one? Okay, let me see that one. Okay, regardless, I need you to step out of the car. Sir, I need you to step out of the car right now. I'll explain in a second. I need you to step out of the car for me.
They're not even explaining why. This is shit happen every day in Chicago. Explain
We have the right to pull anyone out of the vehicle because I understand that.
That's a stolen lamb?
Sir. I will tell you once you're out of the vehicle. I need you out of the vehicle.
I don't have to be out of the vehicle just to tell me first, so that's real wrong. I know.
I know the law as well. I need you out of the vehicle first, please.
No, I'm stolen. They want to get more aggressive.
First. Sir.
I
understand that, and I do too. I need you to come out of the vehicle. Okay?
If it is stolen.
I understand that. I need you to come out of the vehicle right now.
I know the law.
Okay, I know the law as well. Look, we're going to go back and forth. I have a bunch of units responding.
This is a regular traffic stop, right?
This was a regular traffic stop, and then it turned into something else.
What is it?
This vehicle is stolen. I need you to come out of the car.
This is stolen.
This vehicle that you're driving is stolen.
I rented this vehicle, sir.
Okay, I need you to step out of the vehicle.
I rented this vehicle.
Okay, well, we need to double check and verify things, but I need you out of the vehicle. It is stolen. Hey, stop!
Oh, shorty go! Shorty go, skirt! Shorty go, skirt, skirt, They got another camera view. Oh, he go, shorty! There he goes, shorty! Where he go, shorty? Oh. He's gone, shorty. What you got about that? Yo, me and that Lamborghini Hurricane. Show you what that bitch do. Midnight Club. He just Midnight Club. They let her.
STC, Sherman Way.
They was at the window. He just took off on their ass. I wouldn't even grab the handle. You know that's a Lamborghini. Why would you even grab the handle? I almost took this. Stop tweaking. Damn!
1047. We have the frequency. Vehicle is TC'd. Major TC damage. Let me get RA starting to roll. I need traffic shut down for westbound traffic on Sherman Way.
So he done flipped that motherfucker. He did a hurricane with that bitch.
I can't tell you.
That bitch spent out. He smacked. What did he smack? What the Shorty. Oh my God.
Oh wait.
Shorty created an earthquake in that bitch.
No, I can't tell, but this is the other half of the car.
That's the other half of the car. That's just, where's the other half? What's the first half? Shit. In pieces? Oh, that shit is strapped. Damn. We all, what's that over there? They got the choppers out. Boy, he just crashed out for real. Crashed out in the lamb, shorty. The man tried to attempt a high speed in the lamb.
Did you see anyone run? Alright, cool. Hey, we heard everything. Just hang out on the sidewalk for me.
So this shit is crazy, shorty. I remember because Nate Freer came out like, what the fuck was that? Before I heard that. Boom! I heard all of that. You know they heard all of that. Before outside looking like, shit, what's going on? Helicopter, number light.
Hey, I need you folks stay over there. Stay over there.
Hey, y'all stay over there, man. Got a dangerous motherfucking person out here crashing Lamborghinis. Crashing foreign cars and shit. Expensive ass cars. Doing many high speeds and shit.
Hey, can I find them?
Wow. Wow, that him? Oh, man. He's still alive? So he fled for a minute or something? So he definitely fled then, huh? I know he fucked up. Ain't no way. Ain't no way you thought you was finna run after you just made a Lamborghini fundamentally, effectively split in half. The other half is in fucking shrapnel and on fire. And the other half, I don't even know, like, maybe he jumped out that half. Like, Shit, I split this bitch now. I'm finna jump out this bitch and run. But I know you fucked yourself up. Airbags and shit probably punched you up, beat you up and shit. Motherfucker be tweaking, fo. Like, you just over crashed out, fo. Like, fo, you could've... Nah, bro, that bitch was really a stolen Lamborghini then. He knew he was going there. He didn't want to go to jail. Instead, now you going under the jail, and you finna be in the hospital with handcuffs on. That's fucked up. That's a fucked up way to go out. But hey, man, I'm done with this shit, man. I just synced it all, man. I'm fucking crashed the lamb. The lamb chop.